In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to leave Teamspace in Notion. If you've ever joined a workspace or Teamspace in Notion that you no longer need to be part of, it's a good idea to leave it. This keeps your sidebar clean, removes distractions, and can also help your organization keep permissions and access tidy. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the simple steps to leave a Teamspace, and I'll also point out a few useful tips as we go. First, open Notion on your desktop or in your browser and make sure you're logged in to the correct workspace. On the left-hand side of your screen, you'll see your main navigation panel. In this panel, look for the section labeled Teamspaces. This is where all the shared spaces you're a member of are listed. If you don't see it right away, try hovering over the sidebar or scrolling a bit, as it can sometimes be collapsed or further down the list. Once you've located the Teamspaces section, find the specific Teamspace you want to leave. Take a moment to double check that you've selected the right one, especially if multiple Teamspaces have similar names. Remember that leaving a Teamspace won't usually delete any content, but you may lose easy access to pages and documents that live there, so be sure you no longer need ongoing access. When you've identified the correct Teamspace, move your mouse over its name. On the right side of that Teamspace name, you'll see an icon with 3 dots, often called the More Options button. Click on these 3 dots to open a small menu of actions related to that Teamspace. In this menu, look for the option that says Leave Teamspace. The wording might be slightly different depending on updates, but it will clearly mention leaving. Click on Leave Teamspace. At this point, Notion may ask you to confirm your choice with a small pop-up message. If a confirmation appears, go ahead and confirm that you really want to leave. After you've confirmed, the Teamspace will disappear from your Teamspaces list in the sidebar. That's how you know the process worked. If you ever need access again, you'll typically have to be re-invited or request access from an admin. So keep that in mind before you leave. And that's it. You've successfully left a Teamspace in Notion, helping keep your workspace focused, organized, and tailored to what you actually use.